Hey YouTube, Antonio here once again. So we have another Crown Victoria video here for you. This car is now ready for sale. This is an '05 Interceptor out of the Los Angeles Unified School District. So '05 with about 162,000 miles, so 162, 165, somewhere around there. Okay, so obviously it is a one owner, and I wanted to show it to you guys and let you guys know what you think. If you are interested in this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call at 909-457-5500, or you could reach us at www.carsmart-automotive.com. Okay guys, so let me go and show it to you, and we'll do the exterior first, and then we'll go on to the interior. Okay, so right now the vehicle is on, so you can actually hear the engine idle. Okay, so here we go. So on the front, here's the front. We have the Goodyear Eagle 225/60/16 RSA Plus, all around, 95% tread life remaining, like new tires. Okay, all the way around. Okay, this vehicle does not have spotlights, but you do have the holes there. Okay, fresh tint that we went ahead and put on the vehicle. Okay, there are your tires once again. All lights in the back work. It is a safety issue, so we make sure that they all work. And they do work. Brake and reverse and license plate light. Okay. Your tire. Alright, so now let's go ahead and show you the inside. Okay, here's the inside. Driver's door. Trunk release. Fully functional. Steering wheel does have some wear. Okay. This vehicle does have a radio. It does work. Okay, it does have the dome light with the white setting and the red setting. Okay. Let me show you the rear. Okay. I'm going to pop the trunk. There's your trunk. Passenger door. Now let me show you the engine. Here's the odometer, about 162,625. And there you go. So a '05 Interceptor. If you are interested in this vehicle, please give us a call, 909-457-5500, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay? If you enjoyed this video, just hit a thumbs up. Okay? Okay, and please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and talk to you soon.